Hi, my name is Edwin Salas. I will talk about the last share of the forest and the bottle. This is a project thanks to the McCulloch Fellowship and the Asheville Art Museum and of course New Media Department of the UNCA with the help of the Dr. Bradbury. This project is a virtual reality project to make here in the museum where the people can watch like a temporary travel for the time and see what can happen in the future with the climate change, with the use of the bottles and all this kind of stuff. And they can find in the possible future, like near 500 years, when they don't have more forests, and they found the really circumstance for what happened is. And they remind only one tree, and with this tree they make this chair, the last chair of the forest, and bring from the future to this museum, the people can see and understand the impact in the climate change if you continue to use plastic bottles and other kind of things.